Today I'm going to talk about one of our favorite pans in our kitchen, and that is this 12-inch nonstick ceramic pan with a lid. Now, I've had this for 7 months, so I've really gave it a run through. I use it at least 4 to 5 times a week. So I make a lot of one pot meals in here, but anything that I want to cook that's nonstick, this is my go-to pan. It comes with a glass lid. And as you can see, it's really super clean on the inside. I love the color. It's my favorite color. On the back, I can show you that, yes, I have used it. And the great thing about this pan is it's got some weight to it. So it's pretty substantial as far as that goes, but you can tell it's just really well made. And so far, the coating has held up really well. No complaints there. And like I said, the weight is good, so I don't feel like it's just going to fall apart. Like some of those other nonstick pans that are out there, I've tried those, and first of all, I don't really like what they're made of. But with this one, it's not only substantial, but it goes on any type of cooking top. So I can use it on gas, I can use it on electric, and I can also use it on induction. So either way, I highly recommend this pan.